pa rin tatawag ko sa'yo kahit 18 ka na. Second stage mo na ano mo na yung pagiging teenager mo. So, more on patience sa lahat ng bagay. Andito lang kami. Sa lahat ng ng mga pagsubok mo, nandito lang kami ng daddy mo.
Happy birthday and more blessing to come. God bless, more blessing, many more years to come. Help his parents and study first before enjoyment.
In the middle of the night and I pray and I run to the wind and I jump through the fire. Yeah, I jump through the fire. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes,
I wish you to finish your career and have a good career.
Oh, 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 oh. Yes, I can.
Bilang teenager na mag-iingat, lahat ng suliranin na darating, nandito ka. Itutulong naman kami. Hindi ka namin pagagaya. Parati lang isipin mo na andiyan kami sa tabi.
Come with me, everybody. Take my hand, yes, I can.
Happy birthday, Kapitana! Stay masarap! Hey! 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 Hey!
Ashley, I wish you have a more birthday to come and good health. Be good always and obey your parents. That's what I have to tell you. I am glad this is the first debut in your life, so I'm so happy.
Sun, we are the sun. Feel it under the open sky. Hearts beat and become alive.
Sana lahat ng pinapangarap mo, gusto mong marating, ito na ulit yung isang sa stepping stone mo kasi gagraduate ka na rin ng senior high, papunta ka na rin sa kolehiyo. Sana maging successful, matupad yung pangarap.
Watch it fly. Time is dancing.
Sabi mo nga, marami ka pang pangarap, hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa amin. So, wish ko na talagang, wish and pray talaga na matupad mo lahat yun. Hindi yung inaano na para sa amin lang, para sa sarili mo. Kasi ikaw nga yung inaasahan namin na may iwan kay Utoy. So, ikaw lang lahat talaga.
Just fly.
If you ever need someone to talk to, andito lang kami sa Laguna, mga 2 hours away lang. I love you so much. Happy birthday mo.
We are the sun, we are the sun.
Palagi naman akong proud sa'yo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. So, I love you so much. I'm gonna freaking cry.
Feel it under the open sky. Hearts beat and become alive. Oh, we have it all. Oh, we have it all.
Strength sa lahat ng mga pagsubok sa atin, ha?
Happy birthday, Ashley!
Happy birthday! We love you!